afternoon po. My name is Lustrita Patatay po, representative of the National Printing Office po. And today po, we are conducting 3 interviews lang po, 3 questions lang po in compliance with the ARTA po sa ease of doing business po. And anyway, again, my name is Elsie. You can call me Elsie na lang po. Your name is Miss?
My name is Lima Satra, Color State Science and Technology.
Pleasure to meet you soon. We go straight to the questions na po. Number 1 po, how was your overall experience po? Service experience?
Okay naman na. Actually, pagpasok namin ang launch ako naman. Yan kasi po agad na.
Good to know po. And number 2 po, were you able to complete your transaction within the expected time?
Actually, hindi patapos yung transaction namin, pero man-meet naman yung time frame para sa transaction.
Yes po. And last question po, ma'am. Were you treated with courtesy and guided throughout the process?
Yes, of course.
Wow. Any comments, suggestions, recommendations po?
Ano lang, actually last time na nag-purchase kami, hindi kasi hinanap yung advice ng check. Pero okay lang naman kasi via picture, okay lang naman.
Tinatanggap naman.
Okay.
Mapaprocess pa rin naman siya. As long as you have a proof. And yes. Thank you so much po, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you for your time.
Satisfied.
Satisfied customer.